Okay, everybody, it's time for a room tour here in room 301 at the Romance Hotel. Had an excellent 4-night stay here. Very comfortable room in a very quiet street, so I got a good night's sleep when I wasn't dealing with jet lag. Start with the bathroom, everything you need, including the vanity and a nice big shower, nice hot water. Got a clothes rack hanging over here with 2 shelves. And then a nice long desk to plenty of room for work. And then a little coffee and tea maker. Did not supply coffee and tea, but I bought some. Got a safe here and a mini fridge that was very handy for cool drinks. And then a nice big king-sized bed. It was a very comfortable bed. Here's the remote for the AC. It worked very well. Very nice cold air coming from there. TV was okay. It was kind of hard to figure out how to find live channels. And there's a window between the shower and the bedroom. They give you lots of towels and even a toothbrush in there with free shampoo. And then over here is a nice balcony overlooking the street with a drying rack. The drying racks pretty much are standard in Thai hotel rooms. Not much of a view, but nice bright sunny day out today. We're heading to the beach today, so that's look forward to my next series of videos traveling southeast to the beach to Koh Samet. Have never been there, so I'm really looking forward to that journey. So that's it for today's room tour. I hope you guys enjoy your stay here as much as I did. See you on the road in about an hour.